Wow. What do you think we're gonna be trying today?
I am gonna be optimistic and I'm gonna say like a lipstick or a highlighter.
Something that will help keep me matte in the summer.
I would be most excited to pull out of the bag some sort of eyeshadow.
I'm still gonna have no idea how to use the product.
Here we go.
It's super light. Could be an eyeshadow.
It's a highlighter, Catch the Light Highlighter in Glowtion by Wonder Beauty.
Glowtion, what could be better? I love the play on words.
I feel like I'm winning the lottery right now, you guys.
This is a multitasking illuminating lotion and cream highlighter
With a champagne pearl finish. That is a great description.
Ooh.
There's 2 ways to apply it, which is totally blowing my mind.
The lotion is much more subtle than the stick.
Oh, it's so interesting. You can see the 2 different ones.
Can this be applied to your whole body? Because I would enjoy this on my whole body.
I love a highlighter.
Am I glowing from head to toe, brow to bow? You tell me.
I'm ready to get my glow on. All right, that's really embarrassing.
Boop. There's something really addicting about this little guy. It's just so easy to apply. It's honestly very hard for me to stop.
You're supposed to put it in areas where the light catches your face. Tip of my nose.
More is more, am I right?
Glow, no glow. Glow, no glow. Right, like that's what Instagrammers do, right?
I'm not sure about the tip of my nose. That looks weird there.
Wow.
Do I look like the Tin Man? Is it too much?
So I had to go outside to show you how good this highlighter really is. I mean, look, the sunshine just makes it better.
Alright,
He does not have glow.
No, I don't.
I have glow.
In fact, I need some sunglasses.
I'm gonna try the lotion side because I find it to be the most intriguing, quite frankly.
Can't really see it, to be honest.
One of the ways I haven't tried this was to mix in with my moisturizer.
It's like, how much do you really put on without looking like a crazy person?
I did like a 1-to-1 ratio, like a big plop of this and a big plop of that. It's more just like a glow from within look.
I couldn't figure out why the Glowtion didn't seem to really do much for me, and I understand that the Glowtion is not actually intended to be the highlighter itself. It's intended to be very subtle, glowy loveliness.
I like that it's like much more dewy than, I keep using that word, I'm sorry. But I like that it's, I'm gonna go with dewy.
How glowy am I? How glowy am I? Too glowy or just enough?
I love the little topper. It's super easy to use. You just swipe it on.
If you are more of a, like you want to just get a very subtle, glowy radiance, then this is for you.
I love trying highlighters, so hopefully now every product you can't live without is a highlighter. Tip, please, merchants, come on, help a girl out.
Time to bring my shiny self to work. Bye, guys.